Hey, this is Amanda with the Field Library, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cat. I'm going to break it down into shapes, and we're going to start off with the head. Now you're going to need a circle for the head, and then once you have that, you can go on to the ears. Now the ears are going to be two big triangles right on the top. And two smaller triangles on the inside. For the eyes are going to be the shape of footballs. Small circles for the eyebrows. Put your cat pupils wherever you want your cat to be looking. The nose is going to be an upside down triangle with a W for the mouth. And don't forget to give your cat some whiskers. For the body is going to be a slight trapezoid because it's going to be thinner on the top and get wider on the bottom, as opposed to a square or a rectangle. Once you have the body, now you can do the arms and legs. And they're going to be these little nubs. And the tail. And now you have your cat. You can add little details if you want, like you can put their paws, you can add toes, you can put stripes on your cat, you can put polka dots, and you can color them any way that you want. This is how I colored mine, and this is how mine came out. I hope you had fun drawing your cat, and I hope you enjoy.